Welcome back everyone. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. Today I have quite an interesting one. I stumbled upon this website called Primedice. Now if you don't know what Primedice is, it's an online Bitcoin or cryptocurrency gambling website. And what you can do is you can place bets on whether a number is going to roll higher or lower than a certain number. So let me show you. This is how the website looks. Now there's the slider at the middle. You can see that if you choose higher than, you'll win in this case, and if you choose lower than, then the number must roll lower than 50. Now what's nice about Primedice is that it has a manual and automated betting setting, so you can bet whatever amount you want, provided that you have the funds, and then you can tell it what to do when you lose or when you win. So you can actually automate your betting in this manner. That's why it's called automated betting. And as you can see here, I've set it up so that it can run, and after every bet it doubles so that it can, if it wins again, it makes the money back. And in such a way, you're guaranteed after every win that you haven't lost any money. Just to get into some of the stats, you have approximately 50% chance of winning after your first bet, and likewise 50% chance of losing after your first bet. Now since your bet gets doubled with every loss, you want to be careful for the consecutive amount of losses. So yeah, you can see with every loss your bet doubles, but as you can see, once you start getting to bet number 11, it's virtually 0% probable that it's going to get there. So what I've done is I took a look at a number and I guessed about 17. I was happy with 17 consecutive losses, and that's where I decided to base my base amount. And this base amount is the amount that I'll be betting first off. So what happens is, if I win, I'll keep that amount, and if I lose, I'll double, but then when I win again, I'll reset to that base amount. The chances of losing 18 consecutive times is 0.0005%. So it's almost impossible. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully this is a good strategy. On the left you can see the instantaneous betting, and on the right you can see the largest win streak that I've occurred and the largest loss streak that I've encountered. And on the right you can see how my account balance is looking, because on the left it's a bit skewed because the graph isn't to scale, so it looks like I'm really making a lot of money, but if you actually look at on the right hand side, it's really a small amount. And that's why I increased the value, because I was getting bored and I was like, yes, I'm not really going to make money. But it's important to note that after the increase I would have still been able to lose 17 times in a row. And there you have it, guys. 270,006 bets is what it took. And now it doesn't display nicely on the graph, but I actually lost. And you can actually see that my balance is now below 0.01. So it's important to know, don't gamble. The house always wins. The odds aren't in your favor. There's a reason the website exists. It's not for you to make money, it's for the website to make money. So guys, please don't see this as a get rich quick scheme. There's no such method. But I hope you enjoyed my experiment. I hope it was a valuable lesson for you. And yeah, stay tuned, come back for more. Please like and subscribe, and once again, thank you for watching this video.